The moment someone gets too close, something in you pulls back. You pick a fight over nothing. You go quiet for no reason you can explain. You suddenly find a flaw in them that wasn't there yesterday. And you tell yourself you just haven't met the right person yet, but maybe it's not them. Maybe it's a wall you built a long time ago, one that's still standing guard even when no one's attacking anymore. Think about the people who've tried to get close to you, not the ones who disappeared, the ones who stayed, who kept showing up, kept trying, kept choosing you even when you gave them every reason not to. And somewhere inside, instead of relief, you felt something closer to panic. That's not a coincidence. That's a pattern. And like most patterns, it didn't start with them. Somewhere along the way, closeness stopped feeling safe. Maybe you loved someone who left. Maybe you trusted someone who used that trust against you. Maybe you were the one who needed comfort, and instead you learned that needing anyone was dangerous because the people who were supposed to be there weren't. Not consistently, not safely, not without conditions. So you adapted. You built distance into your personality. You called it independence. You called it not needing much. You told yourself you just prefer being alone, that you're simply a private person, that you don't do clingy or needy or emotional. But underneath that story is a quieter truth. You learned that wanting closeness was the fastest way to get hurt. This is what psychologists call an avoidant attachment style. It's not that you don't want love, it's that love historically has felt like a setup, a slow walk toward inevitable disappointment. So your nervous system does something clever in a painful sort of way. It sabotages closeness before closeness can sabotage you. Think about how this actually shows up. Someone starts genuinely caring about you, and instead of leaning in, you start finding reasons to leave. They're too much. They want too often. Their consistency starts to feel suffocating instead of comforting. You pick fights about nothing, testing whether they'll actually stay, half hoping they will, half expecting they won't. And when they do stay, when they prove you wrong, some part of you feels even more uneasy because now the stakes are higher. Now there's more to lose. Here's the part that's hard to admit. Sometimes you don't even wait for people to leave. You leave first. Emotionally, if not physically. You go quiet, you get busy. You create distance so subtle they can't quite name it, but they feel it. A slow withdrawal that protects you from ever being the one left behind. The truth is, this isn't coldness. It's not that you don't care. It's that caring for you has always come with a cost. And you learn to pay that cost in advance by never letting anyone all the way in. But here's the twist. The wall that once protected you is now the thing keeping you from the very connection you actually want. You're not avoiding love because you don't need it. You're avoiding it because some part of you still believes needing it is what gets you hurt. Healing this doesn't mean forcing yourself to be endlessly open or pretending closeness doesn't scare you. It means noticing the moment you start to pull away and asking yourself, am I actually in danger right now, or am I just remembering an old one? It means letting someone stay close enough to see you flinch instead of disappearing before they get the chance. It means learning that not everyone who gets close is going to leave, that not everyone who sees your need is going to use it against you, that some people actually mean it when they say they're not going anywhere. If this is your pattern, you're not broken and you're not incapable of love. You just learned very early that closeness wasn't safe, and your body has been protecting you ever since. The work now isn't tearing the wall down all at once. It's letting one person, slowly, prove that not every door needs to be guarded.